broken. That's how people has started to talk about the health system in Ecuador. There is something true in this statement. These are pictures that everybody is watching now. Bodies that are outside in the streets, saturated funeral homes and hundreds of people waiting for medical attention. The most affected region in the South American country is the Guayas province, particularly the city of Guayaquil. The last update of the authorities say there are 3,995 confirmed cases and 220 deaths, but also the government announced there are 182 people that probably died with the virus. They were not tested on time. And maybe that is the reason a lot of people are dying at their homes. These last days, social media in Ecuador have started to receive reports of citizens that have a corpse at home. They even didn't have time to receive medical attention. The response of the institution is they are not able to collect all the corpses in the city. In some cases, people have waited more than 3 days till this happens. Others, afraid by the rest to have a corpse at home, have put them on the sidewalks or in the middle of the highways. Authorities are aware about the situation in the country and especially in Guayas province, that has the 67.6% of the cases in Ecuador. For this reason, and in order to improve the processes, they have set a protocol to collect the bodies, giving this job to the armed forces and enable a WhatsApp number to report about the deaths. But this is not the end of the tragedy. Nowadays are usual the pictures of people doing long lines outside the funeral homes. They have been waiting long period of times to find a place for their loved ones. There is no time to cry for them, not yet. Nevertheless, these are not the only complaints. There are people that are dying at the hospitals and doctors even don't know the identification of those patients. Videos of the health houses shows an indeterminate numbers of bodies on the floor covered with black plastic, in a city where temperatures can reach 30 Celsius degrees. Sadness, powerlessness,
hasta ahorita, desde las 5 de la mañana, y no nos dicen nada, no nos quieren entregar a nuestros familiares.
And fear are the emotions many Ecuadorians are having now because of the pandemic. Considering the collapse of funeral homes and the magnitude of the emergency, local authorities are going to distribute cardboard coffins in what was going to be a worthy funeral. Numbers tell us there are more than 3,900 cases of coronavirus in Ecuador right now, but even authorities have said this number is far from the reality. In order to quickly determine the positive cases, government has acquired new equipment that will be able to process 1,440 samples per day, censor the real number of people that got the illness. That is the situation in Ecuador, considered one of the most affected countries in the region because of COVID-19.